Here is how to add an employee birthday in Gusto step by step. Begin by logging into Gusto with your account. Once you are signed in, wait for the main dashboard to load fully so the menu and employee information are available. Since you are updating personal details for a specific employee, it helps to start from the main navigation rather than searching around the page. From the left sidebar, go to People. This opens the area where employee profiles are listed and managed. Depending on how many employees are in your account, you may see a full list right away or a more compact view with names and profile details. Stay in this section and locate the employee whose birthday you want to add. Select the employee you want to update. This opens that employee's profile, where Gusto groups details into different sections. Make sure you have opened the correct employee before making any changes, especially if several names in the list look similar. The birthday will be added inside the personal details for that specific profile. Once you are on the employee's page, look for the information area. Under Information, click Personal. This takes you to the section that contains the employee's personal information, including fields that can be updated when needed. You may need to look briefly across the page tabs or section links to find Personal, depending on your layout. In the Personal Information section, click Edit. This switches the page from View mode into an editable form. After you click Edit, the fields in this section should become active so you can enter or revise details. If the page takes a moment to respond, give it a second and continue once the form is ready. Now find the birthday field. This is the field where the employee's date of birth is entered. Gusto may display it as a blank field or with separate spaces for the month, day, and year. Focus on that field and enter the employee's month, day, and year of birth exactly as needed. Be careful to place each part of the date in the correct order, especially if the format on the screen uses separate entries. After the birthday has been entered, review the date once before saving. This helps avoid entering the wrong day or switching the month and day by mistake. When everything looks correct, click Save. Gusto will then store the updated personal information for that employee in their profile. If the page refreshes or returns to a read-only view, that usually indicates the change has been accepted. You can remain on the personal section and confirm that the birthday now appears in the employee's information. The employee's birthday is now added to their personal information in Gusto.